we'll have to mix both of these, and we are going to use talcum powder to mix them, okay? Because these are sticky clays which will stick to your hands, so we need talcum powder. And after mixing it, we are going to roll it on the back of your plate. We'll keep a rough paper first, and we'll roll it on that. So we will give a oval shape to the nameplate. The base is going to be oval, so that even the bigger names with many alphabets, they can easily fit onto it.
Oh, so you're making a nameplate today. Fantastic. Wow. And they'll be able to hang it outside their house?
Absolutely. Their house, or maybe their room, or their, private, their cupboards.
Okay, so then, so if it's their room and cupboards, you know what we'll have, I'm sure they'll be having names like Iron Man and Thor and Captain America and Scarlet and Black Widow, right?
Yes, right. I was going to suggest pet names, but I think these, I'm sure they'll be interested in these. Then their pet names.
Okay, fantastic. So I guess we've got most of them logged in, yeah? So maybe we can just start with this session, Aparna.
Okay, let's go ahead.
I'll just pin your video.
Yeah. Sorry, is there any problem? Shabana, I am facing a little bit of internet issue in this house.
Okay,
actually.
No problem. So, fantastic. But actually, we can see you clearly. So I think it's quite all right.
Great.
Yeah.
And the recording is also going on. So in case if there is some problem with anyone, they can see it later. So I will start with the mixing of the clay.
What we have to do now?
First, you're going to watch what the teacher is doing, and when she tells you, you all do now, that time you will do it.
Ma'am, क्या करना है?
पहले आप टीचर को देखिए टीचर क्या कर रही है, उसके बाद after that you will do what the teacher has done, and she will tell you, you all start now, that time you will start. Till that time we will stop, we will not do anything, and we will just watch what the teacher is doing. Is everybody okay with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Thumbs up.
Yes,
everybody okay with that? Yeah. So usually what happens when teacher is doing and we also do, then we don't miss the steps and the instruction. So this time we're just going to watch her doing it, and then when she'll say, Aparna ma'am will say, now you all do, that time we'll do it. Okay, cool. So Aparna, please.
Yes. So first step is that you will have to remove your clay from the packet, and in one packet you're going to have two different clays. Right? You can see. Yes.
Is this string?
Can you please take your name? Yeah, Juveria, are you talking?
Ma'am, this glue is okay.
Please, can you take your name?
Ma'am, Aisha. Chemical color.
Aisha, what is that?
It's string. Is it okay?
Yeah, the string is fine. We'll come to the string last. So let's start with the clay part, okay?
And we have to remove.
So now
remove this.
Yes, please open the packet and remove both the clays from their respective packets.
But it's different color.
Because I also need to see this clay, huh?
And we have to remove both clays.
Yes, both clays, because one is the clay and the second is the hardener, which will help it to become hard later on. Okay, so we need to mix both. Without that, sorry, Aisha.
This is the hard one.
Yeah, you will have to mix both. So,
ma'am,
yeah,
ma'am, we have to open all the three packs.
No, first just open one packet and remove both the clays.
Ma'am, we have to mix both of the clays.
Yes, you will have to mix both the clays. You have you have powder ready with you.
Ma'am, this powder.
Yes, your any powder, you know, the talcum powder which we use.
Ma'am, See, ma'am, I take this. What first you want to mix that? उसके बाद powder डालना है.
हाँ, अभी इसमें थोड़ा सा पाउडर डालिए. हुमैरा, are you
Put in a plate.
little bit, not too much. I can see you.
Then we have to mix the both clays.
Yes, you have to mix the clay.
मैम मिक्स करने से पहले पाउडर डालना है ना?
Yes. Add a little powder so that it doesn't stick to your hand. Okay.
Oh, clay. Have to do it in a plate. It is perfect. Show me.
Okay.
Ma'am, we
now
have to
you
do
have-
it in a plate. And we have to mix with water.
No using water at all. Please don't use water. Only talcum powder. Humaira, Qasim, you have used a lot of powder. Don't use too much powder. Take little powder so that it doesn't stick to your hand. Okay.
Ma'am, that much powder is
I mixed.
Yeah. Now all of you just hold on. Listen to me. Okay. Just listen. Now we have taken this clay. We have used talcum powder. And we are going to mix it like this. Okay. Together.
Ma'am, I cannot see. Ma'am, I can't see.
There, can you see?
Ma'am, I also can't see.
Now can you see me?
Ma'am, we have to mix both the clays.
Yes, you have to mix both the clays from one packet.
Ma'am, the quantity is too less.
Yeah. So now you also understood that the quantity is less. That's very good. So open the second packet and mix that also.
Okay. Ma'am, from the second packet also both of them.
Listen.
Yes.
Ma'am,
See, one.
Okay, right. 1 minute. Right? 1 minute. First,
now
let the teacher talk. Let Aparna ma'am talk, because everybody is asking questions and nobody will be able to follow. Okay. So let Aparna ma'am talk. She will explain to you. When you listen carefully, then you don't need to ask anything because you have understood everything, right? So please just listen to what she says, and after that we can continue. Yeah.
see, the clay is quantity is less. So what we'll do is we'll open another packet and use that also.
Ma'am, this packet, another. This is another glue, ma'am.
Yes. See, one packet has 2 packets, right? One molded has 2 packets inside,
Yes.
1 and 2, right? So we have to mix both of them. Only when you mix both of them, you will.
Ma'am,
If
ये
you can
देखो
read
इसके.
on that.
मैम, इन दोनों को डायरेक्ट मिक्स करना है.
हाँ, मिक्स कर दो दोनों को डायरेक्ट. और दूसरा वाला पैकेट खोल के भी उसमें से भी दोनों क्ले लेके मिक्स कर दो.
And the first and the second packet also we have to mix it together. See, I have.
Yes, mix it together. You need more clay.
Ma'am, see, I'm mixing 2 colors.
Yeah, mix the 2 clay. One is the hardener and one is the resin clay.
Yes.
Yes. So you need to mix both.
Same for the third also. I have to do the same step.
Just 2 packets. Can we just mix 2 packets right now? 2 molded packets, okay? So totally 4 clay.
Then we have to mix with the first one. The 2 clays we have to mix with the first clay.
Yes. Yes, mix it and make a bigger ball of it.
Ma'am, from the second packet we have to mix both of them.
You have to mix both of them every time you use molding, because one is hardener and the other is the clay. You need to mix the hardener, otherwise it will never become hard. So every time you are going to use molded clay, you have to mix both of them together.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, see.
You'll have to take your name, please, because I need to come to
Ma'am,
you.
Humaira Qasim.
Yeah, just a moment. Humaira, 1 second. Yes, that's good. So mix it properly. It should become one color. Okay.
Ma'am, can you see mine? Ibrahim Rizwan.
Ibrahim Rizwani. Yes, very good. So now once you mix it and make it into one, you should see that there are no different shades visible in the clay, okay? And kindly, please mute yourselves, all of you. Please mute. Ibrahim, mute yourself. Aisha, mute yourself. There's too much of a background sound.
Ma'am, can you see mine? Yeah, here is one.
Yes, very good. Very good. But I can see two colors. Mix it properly so that it becomes one color.
Ma'am, my hole became white. Ma'am,
Very good.
hole become white.
Yes, the whole thing should become one color. Okay? And mute yourselves, please. Oh, man, what are you doing here? You please call something. Sorry. Okay, so can you see?
Everybody is not happy with this two colors.
Yeah, so keep mixing till you get one shade. Once we are done, see now can you see? You can see one shade. So both the clays have to mix properly. Okay? Sorry, who's speaking?
Ibrahim Rizwani. We have to
Just a minute. Yes, Ibrahim.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so once you get, if this is ready, then what you do is,
Ma'am, can you please wait?
okay, I'll wait. So one thing which I want to tell you all about, see, can you kindly please mute all of you all? Mute yourselves. Please mute yourselves.
No.
Yeah, please mute yourself. Thank you. Okay, so now listen, this clay dries up very quickly once you have mixed the hardener also, okay? So we will have to work faster with this. Once it is mixed, let's work faster, okay? So do it quickly, because once it starts getting hard, it becomes difficult to work with it. It becomes difficult to spread it.
Ma'am, I can't get one color.
You will get it. You keep mixing it properly. Just press it. See, just do this with both your hands. Humaira Qasim, did you use 2 packets of that? That's a small ball which I can see. You need two packets you have used? 2 packets you used?
Here is one. Full white.
Yes, yeah, very good. Absolutely. So everybody is done now. Just give me a thumbs up. We can start.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, we are done, ma'am. Let's go.
Okay. Okay, so please do it quickly, otherwise the clay will start drying up. Humaira Qasim, I want you to use 2 of these packets. 2 of these packets means inside there will be, you will get 4 clays which you will have to mix together. Okay, Humaira? Yes, Abdullah. Yes, Abdullah. Very good.
My clay.
So yeah, it's good.
No, ma'am,
It's
I
one
got
color.
only 2.
You have only 1 packet of Fevicryl molded. Humaira?
Ma'am.
Yes. Sorry?
Yes, ma'am, I have only 1 packet.
Okay, I had asked you all to bring 3 packets because we will need a lot of clay to make the nameplate.
Ma'am, wait, I'm taking.
Okay, do it fast. Do it quickly, okay?
Okay, ma'am, give me 2 minutes. 5 minutes, give me, ma'am.
Yeah. So what I will do is I will start teaching. Otherwise, the rest of the people, the clay will start drying out. Okay. So let me go ahead with it. I will come back and teach you again. Okay, Humaira? Okay. So now once the
Ma'am,
clay is ready.
please don't do one, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Aisha.
Ma'am, is that okay?
No, I can still see
Can
two
we go
colors.
ahead? My clay is drying. It is becoming very hard. Can we go ahead?
Yeah, okay. So, Ibrahim Rizvani, what you can do is take your plate. I've asked you to bring a plate, right? Turn it around. Turn it around. And here we are going to keep a piece of paper.
Ma'am, we can't see your screen, so I'm not.
Yeah, sorry. Here, can you see my plate here?
Yeah, ma'am. We have to turn it around.
Yes, turn it around.
Ma'am,
And then,
so ganda, ma'am. We can do a fire.
sorry?
We can do a fire.
No, you do. Yeah, tell me, what were you saying?
Ma'am, we can do in front only. Why we are doing in back, ma'am?
The front will be a little difficult to remove it. Okay, if you want, you can go ahead with the front.
Why, Aparna, please continue, because if the clay will harden, then everybody will have to
Yes,
do it
I'm
all
doing
over
that.
again. Those who
Yeah,
come
yeah.
back, come later, they can just join in, okay?
Okay. So now we take the plate and we turn it around. Okay. I hope you all have big plates with you because we are going to make a big oval. And now I want you to start spreading the clay by just using the rolling pin.
Ma'am, I can't hear you clearly.
Can you hear me now?
Now we have to
Can you
cover
hear me
the
now?
plate with newspaper.
No. You can cover the plate, but the clay you don't have to cover on the entire this thing. So just keep rolling it. It has to be oval. If it is sticking to your rolling pin, please put some powder. You can see I'm pouring powder on this and spread it. And then start rolling it again. Okay. So now, sorry, use two packets. Okay, and start rolling it. So it doesn't need to be perfect because later on we can cut it if it is not very perfect. Okay. So just roll it. It has to be, the thickness should be 2 millimeters, approximately 2 millimeters.
Ma'am, is this okay?
Can you take your name, please?
Ma'am, Aisha Aga.
Aisha Aga, yes, 1 second. Yeah, this is good. Very good. Now you start rolling it as I now
Ma'am, on the
take
back of the plate.
back on the plate, you keep a paper and then you start rolling it.
Ma'am, I don't have paper.
Okay, I had asked you all to bring a rough paper because we need a paper for the base.
Ma'am.
Even a newspaper is fine.
Ma'am, it is one clay. I have two clay. I mix it two clay. I don't have four clays.
In the sense, you have only one packet of molded. You don't have two packets of molded, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so I had asked to get 3 packets because we will need more molded clay for writing the alphabets also. So please see to it that next class you bring some more clay, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, because now this is going to be very less to make the entire nameplate base.
Ma'am, this much newspaper is fine.
This is good, but make the clay in an oval shape. Roll it a little more.
Ma'am, that powder also we want to put in first.
Yes, put the powder so that the clay doesn't stick to your rolling pin. Now can you see? I've got oval shape here.
Wait, I'm making.
Yeah. And now what I'm doing is, I'm just trying to flatten it up and trying to make it rounder wherever I see edges here.
And can you please repeat? I was not there.
Now who is this? You have to take your name every time you talk.
Ibrahim Rizwan.
Okay, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, Aisha Aga. Ma'am, like this.
Very good, Aisha. Excellent. Yeah,
I'm the place like this.
that's good, Aisha. It's good. See to it. Oh, now hold on, everybody. Just hold on. Keep quiet. All of you, just keep quiet and mute yourselves. Please.
Ma'am, the gray part is visible.
You will have to mix it properly, otherwise it will not dry. And it's not difficult. If you keep on kneading it properly, it does change into one color. So you will have to do that, Ibrahim. And now I want all of you to mute yourselves for 5 minutes. Listen to my instructions, then I will answer your questions, okay? All of you, please mute yourselves. Ibrahim, mute yourself.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. So once you are muted, now listen. We'll go ahead, okay? Umar?
Ma'am,
Okay, so
this
now
much it
I
should
have,
be.
see now that's, I can see yours looks quite good. Okay, now listen to me. Okay, I'm not going to answer anybody right now. Just listen to me, okay? So what I did is, I made into an, and now I'm going to, please mute yourselves, all of you. Please mute yourselves. And can you see my thickness here? Can you see the thickness here? Okay, this was 2 millimeters of thickness is good enough. Okay, and I'm going to just try to flatten it up completely, and please see that the entire surface is even. Okay, it has to be even. So just apply some powder here. You can just apply a little bit of powder here, and then just with your fingers you spread it. Okay, so you'll get even smooth surface here.
Ma'am, this much mixed clay is okay?
Who is that?
Umar.
Umar, 1 second, Umar. Yeah, see, try to make it more, this thing, one color. 2 colors should not be visible in that, okay? And then you start spreading it on the plate, back of the plate, you place a paper, and then you start spreading it with a rolling pin and make the oval like how I have done, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now mute yourself. Only when you have questions.
Ma'am, Abdullah.
then,
Aisha Aga.
yes, Abdullah.
Humaira Qasim ma'am, वो rolling pin से क्या करना है हमें?
Just a minute, Humaira, hold on. Abdullah, yeah, that's good. That's good. Now keep it flat.
Aisha Aga.
Keep it flat. Keep it flat. Aisha Aga, just a minute. Humaira Qasim, what are you asking me?
Newspaper, na?
Okay, first I'm going to answer Humaira. Humaira, can you ask me what you wanted to ask?
Ma'am, ये वाला पेन चलेगा?
Pin for what?
Ma'am, what?
No, this I'm not going to use. I don't need that. Okay. Okay, Aisha, I think your nameplate is quite nice. That's good. That's good. Keep it flat. Keep it flat. Otherwise, it will break. Omar, yes. Now you can start making your nameplate. Okay. Who else was asking me? Any other questions?
Anas, ma'am.
Veria, can I see your work, please?
Ma'am, Anas.
Oh, that's nice. Keep it flat. Keep it flat.
Ma'am, can I ask?
Yes.
Can you please see mine?
It's been not stuck to the newspaper, na?
Who is that? Ibrahim, yes. You can spread it a little more. It's very thick. You can spread it a little more.
Ma'am, what we have to do next?
So hold on. Now, once you're done with this, is everybody done with this? Let me wait for everyone.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm not getting oval shape proper. I'm getting this shape.
Okay, so now what you can do is, you can just draw one oval. You have used only one packet, right, Humaira?
Yes.
Yeah, so if you try to spread it too much, then it will break. It is going to become brittle. Don't spread it too much. That's it. That's it.
That's it.
Okay.
ma'am.
So now what you do, you can just take a sketch pen and draw one oval over it. Don't remove it. Leave it as it is on the paper. Leave it as it is. So this clay, it doesn't matter if it sticks to the paper. Okay. We will cut the paper along with the base. So don't worry about it sticking to the paper. Leave it as it is. Now, Humaira Qasim, I want you to draw one oval over it and then we are going to cut it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, like this?
Take a black sketch pen.
Yes, any color sketch pen.
Ma'am, I'm done with that.
Yes, I'm done. Okay, so keep it down. Keep it on your paper. Yeah. And leave it. Now, if you feel your oval is good enough, okay, otherwise, you can cut another oval, draw another oval over it. And
Ma'am, is
cut it.
my oval nice?
Who is that?
Ma'am, Aisha Aga.
Yeah, it's good. You can still spread it a little bit.
Now what we have to do? Can you tell
Spread,
me?
you can spread it a little bit more.
Hard नहीं करनी पड़ेगी.
And okay, so
उसको नहीं चिप करनी पड़ेगी.
now I want all of you to meet yourself. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm making that also oval.
Okay. Yes, Mohammed Saqib, very good. Very good. Excellent. Yahya Rizwani, excellent. Excellent.
Now what we have to do next?
Okay. Now
Ma'am, can we
everybody.
go ahead?
Yes, I'm just waiting for everyone to finish. Otherwise, they won't understand the next step. Okay?
Ma'am, my clay
Now.
is drying.
So this base, it's good. Now let it dry. So once you have made this, this is the base. Okay. So leave it on the paper and we'll leave it for drying. Okay. Now on top of this,
Ma'am,
we
what
are
do we
just
have
going
to
to-
do?
yeah. So I'm telling you now. All of you mute yourselves, please. Please mute yourselves.
Okay, see.
Who is speaking? Umar, yes, that's nice. That's lovely. So what you can do, Umar, just take a little powder on it and with your fingers, just make the entire surface even. Okay, it will
Ma'am,
become
see,
a
this
flat,
oval
nice
is
surface.
okay. I'm cutting. See, ma'am, this is perfect.
Yeah, very good. Very good. You can do that.
Ma'am, I want to cut it.
Yes, you'll have to cut it. Or what you can do is just take a butter knife. You can take a butter knife and on the oval, you can just cut it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, but see to it that your nameplate is not too small. Otherwise, your entire name will not fit on it. Whatever name you want to select. Now, if you want to select the name like Iron Man or some cartoon character or some Avenger character, you can go ahead and do that. This is your personal nameplate. So you can choose whatever name you want to give.
Ma'am, see, अभी cut करके क्या करना है?
अभी आप पहले कट कीजिए फिर मैं आपको बताती हूँ. So now rest of you. Yes, Juveria.
Ma'am,
It's perfect. Very good. Very good. That's good.
From
Yeah. So now leave it on the paper only. Let it dry on the paper. Okay.
what we have to do?
Now, so once this is done, now we will need a third packet of our MC, the molded clay. Okay.
Ma'am, of the
Yeah.
one, we have to use both
But-
of them in one
Yeah,
packet.
but hold on. Do not mix the entire clay. I will guide you. Okay. So don't make the mistake of mixing the entire clay as of now. I will guide you. Before that, please take your sketch pens.
And which color?
Any color,
Ma'am,
any
can
color.
you tell it again? Because I cannot listen there.
Who is this? Umar?
Yeah,
Who is
here is
this?
one. Yeah, here is one.
Yes, yeah. Now, once you have completed your nameplate,
Yes,
You have made the base. Okay. So now you take a sketch pen. Okay. I had asked
Ma'am,
everybody
see.
to get one sketch
Ma'am.
pen. Yeah. Okay. That's nice, Humaira. Very good. So the
Thing on the
edge
black
also,
sketch
if
pen.
you want. Okay. So the edge, you can just press it and make it even. It's a little rough, right? So just press it and make it even and smooth. Okay. So now you are going to take your sketch pen.
Ma'am, we have to open the third packet.
Not now, not now. Hold on. Sorry, I will just guide you with that. I need one
What we have
sketch
to do
pen
with
first.
sketch pen, ma'am?
Now, have you selected the name that you want to put on your nameplate?
Yes.
Okay.
We
can
write it. We can write our own name.
Yes. So write your own name.
Any color, na, ma'am?
Yes, any color, because we are going to put clay over it. So don't worry about the color. Just write your name. Yes.
Ma'am, you have to write it standard. How much big should the name be?
Now, can you've seen your nameplate, okay? How big it is, okay? So you will have to see that your name fits evenly in between, okay? So how will you do that? Suppose now you can just see my nameplate. I'm going to write my name. Yes, I'm showing you. I'm writing my name, okay? So even see, now my name is in the center of the nameplate, right?
Okay,
Can
ma'am.
you see that? So similarly, now you just judge how many alphabets are there in your name or whichever name you're choosing. And suppose if you want to use a cartoon character, you can even write your name like this. You know, you can write your name slant also, like this. You can write your name in this direction, or you can write your name like this. Maybe suppose you're going to write
Ma'am, I'm getting this type name.
just a minute, hold on. Okay, so suppose let me take one name. I'm taking Juveria Ved. So if you want to write Juveria Ved, you can write Juveria here like this on top in this circular manner. I will show you on a paper, okay? And Ved you can write here like this. You can also do that. Or you can write just one name, Juveria, in the center or slant, however you like your name to be on the nameplate. Okay. So now I'll just show you. Yeah, who was asking me the question? Humaira, what happened? Humaira Kasim, what happened?
Right.
Ma'am, I'm writing that. मैम मैं लिख रही थी तो मेरा वो टूट गया.
So आपको जोर नहीं लगाना है, इसीलिए स्केच पेन से हल्के से आप लिख सकते हैं. ओके बिल्कुल भी जोर नहीं लगाना, स्केच पेन से हल्के से लिखना.
Okay, ma'am.
So you have to be very soft so that you don't damage your nameplate, okay? Because your nameplate is not dried yet.
Yeah, here is one. Ma'am, see mine. Yeah, here is one.
Yes, yeah. Oh, how sweet. That's nice. Very nice. Okay.
Ma'am,
So,
we cannot cut in the circle.
you can make your nameplate whichever shape you want. No problem.
Ma'am, Aisha, ma'am, like this.
Yes, Aisha. Yes, that's good. That's good. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Anyone else? So I want you all to first write your names and show it to me, and then we'll go ahead with the next step.
Ma'am, can you see mine? Can you see mine?
Yeah, who is that? Who is that?
Ibrahim Rizwani.
Yeah, just a minute. Just a minute. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, it's good. Juveria, excellent. Very nice. Yes, Ibrahim. It's nice. Only thing is it's too close to each other. The alphabets are very close to each other. So if you would like to just give them more space so that when we put the
Ma'am,
clay over
I
it,
have to do it behind, ma'am.
yeah, you can do it behind or here also. You can just, because we are just writing over it. So this is not going to be seen finally. So you can do it behind, it's okay. Just space it out a little.
put clay over it.
Yes, we are going to put clay over it. The name is going to be written with clay. Okay, Rashta, can I see your work?
I am also deciding
Sorry, I can't hear you.
still deciding what to write.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, now what we have to do with the other clay?
Yeah, so let everybody finish. Then I
Okay.
will tell you. Yeah.
Everyone may be finished.
So in case if we have time, we can start. Otherwise, we will write the name in the next class. Let's first just finish writing your name and show it to me, please.
This is okay.
Very good, Umar. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead. Just don't see to it that you don't damage the base, okay? Very lightly you have to write on it.
And can you see mine?
Yes, but this is too small. This is too small. You will have to spread it. And one more thing which you can do, Mohammed, is you can cut into a proper oval. So where you see the rough edges, right?
Ma'am, it is proper oval.
You can just a minute, please hold on. See, when you are cutting, just draw one oval over it and then cut it with a butter knife, okay? And then whatever you have written, you will have to space it out, because you're going to use clay to write over it, right? So the clay will not fit in that small space. Okay, Mohammed?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, let us wait for everybody. Ibrahim, yes, who was asking me? Humaira?
Aparna?
Humaira,
This is oval shape, okay?
yes, very good, Humaira.
Aparna,
And,
I think we do the clay name the next time. As of right now, you just see whether they've written the sentence properly. Yeah.
Yes, yes, Anas. Yes, that's nice. But see, the upper part of your nameplate, I want that man to be spaced out. And even the spider, it should be a little spaced out so that you can use your clay easily. Otherwise, it will be too, it will be a very hodgepodge spider. Maybe you will not be able to make out the words also. Okay, Anas? So just write it a little spread out. Just see how I have written my name. It's all spaced out. So when I will use clay, there is space for the other alphabet, because the clay is going to be thicker than this. Okay?
How will I rub?
No, don't rub. Don't worry about that. You can just turn the plate, your nameplate, and write it again.
Ma'am, what you want to do in the scale?
Yeah, you can just leave it right now. We'll see later on when we are writing the alphabets. Now that time we'll need it.
Now, what we have to do next?
See, Mohammed, I want your name to be spread out like this. What you have written is very nice. I like your handwriting also. But if you're going to use clay over it, this space is too less and it's too small. So try to use more space for it. Okay? Okay, Mohammed? Like if you're writing O and the P has to be a little spaced out. T,
Ma'am,
I, it has to be spaced out so that you can use.
ma'am, what we have to do next?
Okay, Shabana ma'am.
No, I think we take a break, Aparna, because it's already
Yes.
12:45. Yeah, so we continue with this the next time.
Ma'am, I have made a bracelet with the extra clay. Aparna ma'am,
Yes.
that I
yes.
have cut in it.
Very good, Umar. Excellent. Good. Okay, so now everybody just whatever names you all want, you keep it ready for next class, and then we will mix the clay. So don't mix the clay. before that.
this? Yeah, ma'am, where should we keep this?
Keep it on your table or any safe place where it can just dry for the day, and then you can keep it in. Once it is dry, then it's okay. Then it will not get damaged at all. Okay. Okay.
But water will go on it.
No, even if water goes on it, it's waterproof. Don't worry. Nothing will happen to it now. Okay. Just let it dry.
Okay, thank you so much, Aparna. We'll end the session right now. For all those who haven't finished writing, can just continue writing their name. And we'll meet again next Monday with the same materials. Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye. Bye, everybody.
Bye bye. See you.